Basically, the two major things that have changed with donor management systems, or the two major features that are being implemented, are mobility and what I call hyperconnectivity. I don't think hyperconnectivity is a real word yet. It's probably not really a coined thing, but what I think of it as is not only are you using the internet to access information kind of offline and go back and check your donor management system and put it in there. What hyperconnectivity means to me is that you can go to something like Wealth Engine or LinkedIn or even Facebook and take that information and interact with it directly within your donor management system. And that interaction comes in several stages, really, several different kinds. Probably the simplest thing is just building a link to somebody else's Twitter feed, a donor's Twitter feed, or their Facebook page, and being able to check that, just clicking a link and jump out. The next level beyond that is being able to interact with those programs within your donor management system. Some of them actually feature something now where you can actually interact with Twitter within the donor management system, just like you're using a system normally. No need to jump out to a web browser. And probably the final stage of it, the coolest area of it, I think, is that more and more vendors are working with the donor, or have changed their donor management system so that they pull information from these systems. So not only can you interact with Twitter and Facebook and all these things from within the donor management system, they can also update donor information based on data that exists on the internet. For example, they can go out to the National Change of Address database and pull that information into the donor management system and suggest that you update if you need to. Mobility is the other major change in donor management systems that's coming down the pipe. What that means is that the first aspect of it is that you'll be able to access your data from anywhere, because more and more systems are moving to a hosted data model. And the other advantage is that more and more systems are working with smartphones, so that you'll be able to access your data from a smartphone. If you're a donor, you'll be able to, for example, if you're meeting with, well, actually it would be for a staff. If you're staff, you'll be able to meet with a donor and update information about their profile live on your phone. And also, if you're just out and you have an idea, you can take notes on your phone and have that go directly into your donor management system.